Hey everyone, welcome back, and if you are new here, hi, I'm happy you found me. Today we are making brown sugar garlic pork chops. This is just for one person, so feel free to adjust everything based on how many people you are cooking for. Alright, let's jump right in. Start by slicing 2 white button mushrooms. Dice 1/4 of an onion. And dice a small amount of zucchini. In a bowl, add 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, and 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar or apple cider vinegar. For seasoning, I added dried basil, salt, and pepper. Stir this really well and make sure the sugar comes off the bottom. Next, mince 3 cloves of garlic. Once that is done, add the garlic to the sauce. Give it another good stir and set it aside for later. These pork chops are thin, so I am seasoning lightly with salt and pepper on each side. To the pan, we will add about a tablespoon of oil. Once that has heated and thinned out, move the oil around the pan and then add your veggies. Season to taste with salt and pepper or your favorite seasoning. Stir well to coat everything with the oil and seasoning and sauté for 5 minutes, stirring throughout. This video is brought to you by Travel With Us for Life, where we share our adventures from around the world right here on YouTube. As we travel, the kitchens and appliances we use are always changing. So my goal is to bring you simple, delicious recipes you can easily make at home. No fancy gadgets required. If you'd like to join us on our travels, check out our other channel, Travel With Us for Life. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you over there. Now it is time to cook the pork. Add a little more oil to the pan and place in your pork. With these being thin, I am only cooking these for 3 minutes on each side. If they are thicker, you will cook for 5 to 7 minutes per side or longer, depending on how thick they are. You can also cook them in the oven if you prefer. To do that, sear each side for 3 minutes in the pan, then place them in the oven for 20 to 30 minutes at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Ovens vary, so just keep an eye on them. Once the pork is done, you can pour in the sauce. Cook this for about 3 minutes. I forgot to turn my pan to low before adding the sauce, so it cooked a little faster than I wanted, but it still came out amazing. To avoid that, turn your heat to low and let the sauce thicken slowly while the pork soaks it up. And that is it, a simple and delicious meal that comes together so easily. I hope you enjoy this one. Thank you so much for stopping by and hanging out with me today. I really appreciate it. And if you like these easy recipes, subscribe and share them with someone who would enjoy them too. Have a great day, and I will see you next time.